Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to read a chapter of Face in the Dark, which is written by Ruskin Bond. So let's start it. A Face in the Dark is a short story set on a dark, windy night. Mr. Oliver, a teacher, was walking through the pine forest. On his way to school after an evening walk at Shimla Bazaar, on the walk, he came across a weeping boy who had no face but a round, smooth head without eyes, ears, nose, or mouth. Horrified, Mr. Oliver ran from there and bumped into a watchman who also had no face like the faceless boy. Now let's see about the author. Ruskin Bond is one of the most popular Indian authors of British descent. He was born in Kaushali, Himachal Pradesh in 1934 and grew up in Jamnagar, Dehradun and Shimla. In the course of a writing career spanning 5 decades, he has written over 1,000 short stories, essays, novels, and more than 30 books for children. Now let's see the story in detail. The story is a set on a dark, windy night when an Anglo Indian teacher, Mr. Oliver, was walking through the forest to return to his school. As he was walking down the narrow path, he saw a boy sitting alone on a rock. Oliver was surprised to see the boy sitting alone. Why? Because his head was hung down and he was holding his face in his hand. This makes Oliver scary, as the time was the night in the forest. Oliver stopped near the boy and asked him what he was doing there and why he was crying. The boy neither looked up nor answered his question and continued to sob. Oliver again inquired from his what was troubling him and asked him to look up. Then the boy removed his hand from his face and looked up. As the light from Oliver's torch fell on the boy's face, Oliver was stunned to see that the boy had no face. It was without eyes, ears, nose, or mouth. It was a round head with a school cap on it. Oliver ran away from there, calling for help. He saw a lamp swinging in the middle of the path and bumped into a watchman. When the watchman asked him why he was running, Oliver told him about having seen a boy in the forest who had no face. At that moment, the watchman raised the lamp to his own face and asked Oliver if the boy was like him. The watchman too was without a face. The wind blew and put out the lamp. The story of Face in the Dark is a strange tale as suggested by its title. Ruskin Bond says, after dark we see or hear many things that seem mysterious and irrational, and then, by the clear light of a day, we find that the magic and the mystery have an explanation after all. Therefore, the title, A Face in the Dark, is quite apt, as makes the readers ponder upon the mysteries of human existence and the possibility of another layer of life outside our material world. The story of Face in the Dark has use of supernatural elements. Mr. Oliver, the central character in the story, has been described as a man who was not given to nervousness or imagination. That was perhaps the reason that he had been walking through the forest on his way back to school from the Shimla Bazaar every night for several years. On that particular night, it was dark and stormy. Mr. Oliver Being a bachelor and lonely, imagine something supernatural like a boy without a face, a kind of a ghost. A boy's school cap might have been lying on a rock, which Oliver, in the flickering light of his torch, imagined to be a boy without a face. Again, it was his fear that made him imagine the watchman too as being faceless like the boy. The story ends with a sense of suspense, making the readers ponder over the question whether they were ghosts that Oliver encountered or whether it was a prank played upon by him, a mischievous student. Now, you guys tell us in the comment section whether it was a prank or they were a ghost.